To drop down this needle, I'm going to loosen this screw. While loosening it, I have to hold the needle so it doesn't go into the machine. This part is called the shank. This is the part that goes into the machine, while this is called the shaft. This needle has a round shank. Most needles have one side flat and the other side is round, but this one is all around. For this kind of needle with a round shank, ensure that this side faces towards you. When you look at the needle carefully, you're going to see this hollow part. It's called the groove. This faces towards you, while the other side faces the machine. I'm going to insert this now. Make sure it goes up, all the way up. And now I'm going to tighten back the screw. And fit back my pressure boots. And now you can go ahead and thread your machine. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Thank you.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a